Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are keeping fine and safe. And so let's start our video today. I know you all are eagerly waiting for the job notifications to be out and to fill out the notifications and apply for your dream job. Yes, so after a long time, West Bengal has released one of its notification for the government sector, and correctly, right, in this video today we are going to discuss about that. So we'll discuss about the West Bengal Judiciary Exam 2021. That is the West Bengal Public Service Commission, WBPSC, holds the authority to conduct judiciary examination for civil judge, that is for the junior division post. It is an online examination and WBPSC takes responsibility for the recruitment of this process. The WBPSC Recruitment 2021 notification gives a clear idea of eligibility to apply for the West Bengal Judiciary Exam 2021. The stages of recruitment processes are: firstly, the preliminary examination, secondly, main examination, and thirdly, the personal interview. The West Bengal PSC notification is declared only for 26 vacancies. Candidates who had completed a bachelor's degree in law are said to be eligible for this West Bengal Civil Judge Exam Judiciary Notification 2021. The West Bengal PSC notification for the judiciary exam was released on 17th June 2021, and the last date for the submission of the application was ended on August 2020. The preliminary examination will be conducted on 11th October 2021. On 13th November 2021, WBPSC has declared dates for the main examination. The West Bengal Judiciary main examination will be conducted on the dates that I am going to say right now: 10th and 11th December 2021 and 14th to 19th December 2021. Candidates who had qualified for the preliminary exam have to attend the main exam on the scheduled dates. You can check more details on WBPSC Judiciary notification, which is out for 2021. And in this video, I will give a complete detail on WBPSC Judiciary Examination notification and its details. WB, that is West Bengal Judiciary Examination 2021 highlights. Let's give that. Name of the examination is WBPSC Judiciary Exam. Conducting body is West Bengal Public Service Commission. Name of the post that you will be applying for is Civil Judge, that is Civil Division, and the total number of vacancies that is open is 26. The location of the job will be West Bengal. WBPSC notification released date was 7th July 2021. Official website is wbpsc.gov.in. West Bengal Public Service Commission Judiciary Vacancy 2021. Recently, WBPSC has released a notification of this vacancy, and it will not be out for quite a long time for civil judge, as I told you, for junior division. You can understand what I am going to say about the vacancies for the reserved categories right now. Unreserved categories will be eligible for 16 posts, scheduled caste 3, scheduled tribe, that is ST 1 post, OBC A 3, OBC B 2. Physically handicapped candidates are eligible for 1 post, which makes a total of 26. Now coming to West Bengal Judiciary Application Online 2021. West Bengal Public Service Commission application form for civil judge post is available online. Candidates can follow the mentioned steps to apply for the WBPSC Judicial Services Examination. WBPSC Judiciary Registration 2021. Firstly, candidate need to open the website www.pscbangapplication.gov.in for registration of the application. The The application form section is displayed on the screen. Click on it. You will get a page to fill the details in the form. After clicking on the link, a new page is opened in a new tab showing Enroll Yourself. Click on this, that is Enroll Yourself link. A new WBPSC application form is displayed on the screen, which will ask to enter the basic details such as your contact details, the candidate's name, age, address, and so on, qualification and so on. After filling in the asked details in the form, click on the Sign Up button. As soon as you did the above mentioned, you will receive an OTP to the given mobile number or email ID, whichsoever is preferable by you. To get enrollment successfully, you have to enter the received OTP that is there given in your mobile or email ID. After completion of this, you will be verified successfully. Again, you have to log in by using the registration number and password to enter the remaining details such as eligibility, qualification, personal information, and whatsoever is asked. After completion of this entire process, you have to upload a scanned document of passport size photograph and signature by clicking on upload option. You will see that upload option is there. You have to do it then. After the completion of the WBPSC Judiciary application form process, pay the application fees as per the category. Just go through the category list and see what fees you have to pay and pay it. Instructions to upload documents. When filling the WBPSC application form, he or she must upload some documents that are necessary for the completion of the application form. The scanned documents of the passport size photograph and signature is very crucial and important. The signature must be in black pen only, and that too must be on white background or in a white sheet of paper. The dimension of the signature must be 2.5 into 7.5 centimeter. If needed, candidates have to upload caste category certificates. Education related documents need to be uploaded in the same process also. WBPSC Judiciary application fees for 2021. Candidates need to complete the payment process after the submission of the application form. Only then the process of payment of fees will be initiated. Without payment of the application fee, the submission of the application form will not be accepted and your form stands cancelled. So it is mandatory for all the candidates to pay the necessary fees by the methods that I am going to give you right now. Candidates should pay fees, the application fees, by using debit card or credit card or net banking or whichever is comfortable. After making payment of the fees, download the receipt. And not only that, also take the receipt of payment of fee as a proof which you might require later on. West Bengal Judiciary selection process of 2021. The recruitment process for civil judge post will be done in 3 stages. That is, I already told you, preliminary exam, secondly the main exam, and thirdly the personal interview, which is the viva voice. Applicants have to clear all the tests conducted by WBPSC. The WBPSC recruitment for civil judge post is given in the website. You can check the judiciary exams notification and you can get through it. Now, talking of the preliminary exam, this one is the first stage in the recruitment process. So candidates who successfully cracked the preliminary exam will be promoted to the next round, that is the main examination. In the preliminary exam, 200 multiple choice questions, that is the objective questions, will be asked. Now if we talk about the main exams, yes, the main exams comprise of 8 mandatory papers and 3 conventional papers. So the total papers will be conducted for 100 marks. Those who crack the main examination shall only be called for the final stage of the recruitment process, that is the viva voice or the personal interview round. Now let's talk about the personal interview or the personality test. Selected candidates will have to attend the personality test, that is conducted for 100 marks. The final merit list is prepared on the basis of marks that is secured in the main examinations and the interview, not in the preliminary examination. West Bengal Judiciary eligibility criteria for 2021. Applicants who are interested to apply for the West Bengal Judiciary exam have to refer to the eligibility before submitting the application form online. The West Bengal Public Service Commission Judiciary eligibility includes educational qualification and age limit. Educational qualification: applicants must have graduated in law from a recognized or central or a state university. He or she must have a membership in the Bar Council. Candidates able to speak, write and read the Bengali language shall only be applicable. Now let's talk about the age limit. Yes, candidates' age must not be less than 23 years and should not exceed 35 years as on 4/7/2021. Yes, there will be age relaxation for some categories. Candidates should read the official notification for more details on age relaxation and as per the category. The age relaxation is given up to 5 years for scheduled caste or scheduled tribes categories and given 3 years for backward classes or backward caste candidates. For the candidates who are having a disability of 40% for them, the age limit is 45 years. West Bengal Judiciary Syllabus for 2021. Let's talk about that. WBPSC Prelims Syllabus comprise of personal law, jurisprudence, Indian Penal Code, principle of Muslims law, principle of Hindu law, Transfer of Property Act, Criminal Procedure Code, Code of Civil Procedure, Constitution of India, Indian Evidence Act, General Knowledge, and this is the syllabus. Now let's come to WBPSC main syllabus. The compulsory, that is the paper 1, will have Transfer of Property Act, Criminal Law, Contract Law, General Knowledge, Civil Law, Bengali, English Composition, and the optional papers, which is paper 2, will have Constitutional Law, Law of Limitation, Partnership Act, Law of Trust and Specific Relief, laws relating to companies and insurance. Next, you will have jurisprudence and principles of legislation, Hindu law, Muslim law. Compulsory subject list will have Transfer of Property Act, Law of Contract and Torts. You will also have Current Affairs and General Knowledge or GK. You will also have English Composition, Pressy Writing, Essay, Civil Procedure Code, Indian Evidence Act, Bengali or Hindi or Nepali or Urdu, essay and translation from English, all of the previous ones that I just mentioned. Optional subject list will have principles of equity, including the law of trust and specific relief, law of limitation and law of prescription, Indian law relation to companies and insurance, jurisprudence and principles of legislation, the Indian Constitution and constitutional law, Mohammedan law, Hindu law, Partnership Act, personality test and interview. Viva voice will comprise of the personality test, which is conducted for around 100 marks, will have many questions relating to your subject. To appear in the main examinations and Viva voice, you have to be qualified in the preliminary examination. A personality test is conducted to test the behavior and the thinking ability of the candidate as to how far you're practical and you can apply your knowledge. Candidates who will give good answers to the questions asked by the interview panel or the interview board will achieve good scoring marks. These marks will help you or help your name to be on the declared merit list. The WBPSC Judiciary Provisional Merit List is declared on the basis of the marks which is secured in the main examination and interview. A preliminary examination is conducted only for screening the candidates. West Bengal Judiciary exam pattern for 2021. The recruitment process for the judiciary examination is a preliminary exam followed by the main examination if you qualify the prelims and the personal interview if you qualify the main examination. It has to be given the exam pattern for all the examinations in the format that is prescribed. West Bengal pattern for 2021. The exam will be conducted online and the question paper format is an objective type, which is multiple choice questions or MCQs. The preliminary exam conducted for a total 200 marks. The exam will be given a time frame of 180 minutes. The paper is of the standard of graduation level only. So if you are a qualified graduate and you have adequate knowledge, you can appear for it. Subjects: law of limitation will comprise of 20 marks. Personal law will comprise of 10 marks. Indian Penal Code and Criminal Procedure Code will comprise of 20 marks. Civil Procedure Codes will comprise of 20 marks. Law of Evidence will also have 20 marks. Law of Contracts and Torts will have 20 marks. Constitution of India will have 20 marks. Current Affairs, General Reasoning and Test of Reasoning will comprise of 40 marks. English Composition will have 30 marks. So this makes a total of 200 marks and the time limit, as I told you, is 180 minutes. Now coming to the West Bengal Judiciary main exam pattern 2021, the qualified candidates in the preliminary exam have to attend for the main examination. The main exam is of the subjective type. Each section in the main examination will be conducted for 100 marks. So you can understand how you have to prepare yourself. There will be both compulsory and optional papers. You need to select any 3 papers from the subject of given optional papers. The total exam will be conducted in a duration of 3 hours. The subjects for this main examination is Transfer of Property Act consisting of 100 marks, Law of Contract and Torts also 100 marks, Indian Evidence Act 100 marks, Indian Penal Code and Criminal Procedure Code also having 100 marks, Civil Procedure Code comprising of 100 marks, Current Affairs and General Knowledge, which we say GK, is also comprising of 100 marks. Santali or Nepali or Urdu or Hindi or Bengali composition, essay and translation from English into Bengali or Hindi or in Urdu or Nepali or Santali will have 100 marks. Essay, English composition, Pressy writing will have 100 marks. Compulsory papers will have 100 marks. Now let's come to the optional papers. Any 3 papers should be chosen. You can choose Partnership Act for 100 marks, Mohammedan Law for 100 marks. You can even choose Hindu Law, which also comprises of 100 marks, Principles of Legislation and Jurisprudence, which is also for 100 marks, Hindu Law for 100 marks, Constitutional Law and the Indian Constitution also for 100 marks, Law of Prescription and Law of Limitation for 100 marks, Indian law relating to companies and insurance. This will also be for 100 marks. So the total examination will be conducted for 1200 marks. Now, how to download West Bengal Judiciary Admit Card 2021? It is mandatory to carry the West Bengal Judiciary Services Admit Card for the civil judge post for the preliminary and the main examinations. Without this, you will not be allowed for the examination. Who fails to carry the admit card is not allowed to enter the examination hall. The steps to download the West Bengal Judiciary Exam Admit Card is as I'm going to say right now. Please follow. Now the steps to download the West Bengal Judiciary Admit Card for 2021. The first step is candidates can click on the direct link given in the website, or you can visit the official website and you can type your roll number, admit card things, and you can get it. After having the official website page, find out the recruitment section. Tap on the link. It will lead to another page displaying all the advertisement details of the West Bengal Judiciary Examination for this year 2021. Now after this page is open, you can click on the admit card or the hall ticket link. A new page will be displayed on the screen asking to enter the credentials to the access of the admit card. Now enter the essentials that you have, that is registration number, date of birth, password or whatever you had given, and click on the login button. After you click on the login button, now your West Bengal Judicial Service admit card is displayed on the screen. You will have to take a printout or download the admit card for further use, and that's how your admit card will be obtained. After downloading the admit card, double check the details in the admit card to find out if any mistakes are there or not. West Bengal Judiciary Services Result 2021. Yes, let's talk of that. The West Bengal Public Service Commission result for civil judge post for both preliminary and main examinations will be declared after 1 month of the completion of the examination. The candidates can follow the steps to check out the preliminary and main results. That is, you have to visit the website and you have to go to your portal, that is www.wbpsc.gov.in. Then through the recruitment section you can click on it. Then again you have to click the results link, and after that a displaying screen will be there where you have to now enter your date of birth, your registration number and so on, and then definitely you will be able to see your result. So I have given you all the details about this examination. I hope you will apply for it. So all the best for this examination and pass this exam with flying colors. So ending my video here. Thank you for patiently hearing me out. Thank you.